What's up guys, Jeff back here with another amazing video guys. In today's video, as you can see in the title, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing. But before I get into the video guys, it's been a very long time since I recorded a video. I'm sure some of you guys missed me, some of you guys may have not, some of you guys may be on my channel for the very first time. But to you guys who missed me, I'm actually very sorry. I haven't uploaded in a long time. I've been dealing with some stuff, very important stuff I needed to get out of the way, and I'm going to be telling you guys about this stuff later on in the future. But guys, in today's video, as I said, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing. But before I get into the video, this video isn't financial advice, and if you guys want to correct anything I'm going to say in this video, if you want to, I don't know, ask any questions, do that in the comment section, because every single thing I'm going to be talking about in today's video is based on my personal experience, and I want to know what you guys have actually experienced with affiliate marketing. So with today's video, if you've heard about affiliate marketing before, or if you haven't heard about affiliate marketing before, or if you want to actually start this side hustle for yourself, in today's video I'm going to be going over different things you guys need to know before you actually continue affiliate marketing, before you start. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys gain some great info from this video. And also, a lot of you guys want to ask me questions and talk to me. If you want to do that, I just created a new Discord group chat, so click the link in the description below, sign up on Discord and join the group chat. You guys could ask me questions over there. I'm going to be replying to every single person that I can. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So guys, we're going to start from the very beginning, because I'm sure some of you guys watching today's video do not actually know what affiliate marketing is. So in simple terms, or in my terms, what I would describe affiliate marketing as is basically selling someone else's product. So this product will come from a company or another individual. You're basically going to be helping them sell this product, and when you sell this product successfully, you're going to get a commission. This product could be physical, digital, it could even be a subscription. Some affiliate platforms give you monthly commissions over and over again every single time the people you refer keep on purchasing that product or subscription.
Mouse Rat CD, $30. Candy bars, $50. $50.
Another thing I need to mention, a lot of people think you actually need to purchase this product before you could sell them to other people or stuff like that. In my experience, and in most cases you guys are going to go through, I assure you that you do not need to purchase these products. The only reason you may need to purchase these products is if you want to check them out yourself before you actually sell it to other people. Now that you guys know actually what affiliate marketing is, I'm sure some of you guys already knew that before. Now let's get into how to actually start affiliate marketing. It's very easy, and some of the only obstacles you may actually come across is getting accepted into the affiliate program, because some affiliate program websites and some affiliate networks actually require you to sign up and verify your info, verify your age and stuff like that. But there are some others out there, actually many others, that do not require you to verify any sort of info, and all you need to sign up is your email, a password, your username, and that is all. Now I'm going to talk about 3 ways you could actually get started with affiliate marketing. The first way isn't actually affiliate marketing per se, but it's basically a way to actually test the waters if you're very skeptical about affiliate marketing. I'm sure a lot of you guys have signed up on apps and websites, and they tell you to refer your friends for a sort of bonus. That is basically what affiliate marketing is, but that is affiliate marketing on a small scale. So if you want to test it out, sign up for an app like that tells you to refer people or get people to buy stuff, and you earn a small commission. Another way you could actually start affiliate marketing is by going over to a website like Amazon. So Amazon is a very big website, and they basically pay people to help sell their products on their website. So you could recommend a bed to your friend, and when they purchase that bed, you actually get paid a small commission by Amazon over and over again. I'm sure you guys have seen this all over YouTube. You see a ton of YouTubers putting links in their comment section to their cameras, their lighting, their video equipment, and every single time people click on those links in the descriptions, they actually get paid. Now the last and final way to get into affiliate marketing is by signing up on an affiliate network. I'm not sure, but I hope a ton of you guys have heard about an affiliate network like ClickBank or JVZoo. There are lots of affiliate networks out there. For example, ClickBank doesn't require you to even get accepted before you could start selling products on the platform. The only problem with some of these affiliate networks is that you actually need to be in a country where they're accepted. I have a video talking about affiliate networks are actually accepted in a ton of countries. I'm going to leave that video in the description or in the cards up here. The next thing we're going to be talking about is one of the most important steps when it comes to affiliate marketing. So this step is when you actually choose the products you're going to be promoting. And obviously no one out there wants to buy a product that isn't good. If someone is promoting a product that isn't good to you, obviously you wouldn't buy that product. So as an affiliate marketer, what you want to do is choose products that are actually trending or products that you know people would want to buy. For example, if you're an affiliate on Amazon.com, all you have to simply do is check for products that are trending, products that people always buy, and pick products based on the season. For example, during Christmas, you know, people want to buy decorations. That is what I would advise if you're actually an affiliate on a company's website like that one, like Amazon. And for number two, if you're an affiliate on an affiliate network and you have a ton of products to choose from, on affiliate networks, you're basically going to see stuff like this. So right now I'm looking at my screen here, basically you see stuff like this. They're going to show you stats beside each and every product, and you could actually sort the products based on this different statistics. So for example, the products I'm looking at right now, the name of this product is Secret Email System, and yeah, it has 15,000 plus sales. So obviously you know a lot of people are actually selling these products. A lot of people are actually picking these products to sell. Number two, the conversion rate is very, very important. For this product I'm looking at right here, the conversion rate is actually 11%. Number three, the visitor value of this product is $2.12, and the average commission per sale gotten is actually $19.18. And finally, this is another very, very important statistic you have to look at. The refund rate of this product I'm telling you guys about right now is actually 6%. I myself, I would advise you guys to actually sell this product because as you can see, it has the highest conversion rate out of the other products on the top list right now, and more people are actually selling this product, and that is actually why it has a higher refund rate than the others. For example, the other ones over here have sales of 525 and this one has 15,000. So I advise you guys to actually go for a product like this. And another thing you guys could actually do to make sure your refund rate is not so high is to actually go into this product and check out this product yourself and see the type of people that would actually be interested in purchasing this product, so you do not actually end up promoting this product to the wrong audience, thereby leading to a refund.
Hey look man, I don't do refunds, all right?
The next step is actually making sure you're able to actually sell these products you've actually picked out. After you put out great products, the next step is actually selling these products. This is a place where a lot of people struggle, and yeah, I'm basically going to tell you guys some of the ways you could actually go about selling these products. And there are three main ways I've actually seen people do this. There are three main ways I've tried doing myself. The first one is actually through ads, the second one is through social media marketing, and the third one is email marketing. So through ads is very, very straightforward and simple. I'm sure a lot of you guys are on YouTube, especially people watching this video right now. You guys see a ton of ads telling you you could make money or telling you to buy a product or join a webinar, and they actually try to sell you a product. Most of these ads you see actually do two of these things I just mentioned earlier. So some people will actually put out ads, tell you to join a free live training, and after you watch the free live training they tell you to submit your emails, and then they start sending you emails over and over again telling you to buy a product. So that is basically email marketing and ads combined. Also on Instagram or any other platform you guys actually use, you see a ton of ads of people telling you to buy products and stuff like that. So that is basically with ads. The second method is by developing a social media account yourself. But for you to actually start making some money by yourself through your social media pages, you have to have several social media pages and you have to have a number of followers before you could actually start making money. And also, let's be honest with ourselves, growing a social media account is very, very competitive nowadays because there are a lot of people already in those niches doing the same thing you're about to do. Now, the last way is actually email marketing, and with email marketing you actually have to run some ads also, because you're not just going to get emails out of thin air. You actually have to find people that are interested in your products and you have to actually get their emails. Those are the three main ways I know of to promote affiliate products. But if you guys have any other methods you want to talk about, leave them in the comment section. I'm going to be reading a bunch of the comments below. Now, I also wanted to add that we're running ads on YouTube, Instagram, and other places. Although they may be very, very cheap, I'm not going to advise you guys to actually go maybe spend $50 or $30 on ads, because you may not get any sales. So this is a case study I did myself, and I'm going to show you guys my results. As you can see, the cost is $30. The impressions I got 3,003, views 1,067. My average cost per view $0.02. So guys, these are the stats, and out of this I got 0 sales, because as you can see over there, I got only 11 clicks out of the 3,000 impressions that I actually got. So if you're thinking about going to spend a quick $10 or a quick $20 or a quick even $50 on ads, I assure you guys it may not get you any sales. At the end of the day, you may get only 1 or 2 sales, and by that time the amount of money you spend on ads is going to be more than the money you actually make in return. And a lot of people you see on YouTube doing affiliate marketing, they're going to tell you to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on ads if you actually want to make some money. And let's be honest with yourself, most of you guys are beginners and you may not have that much amount of money to actually blow on ads. Guys, that is basically it for today's video. As I said, if you want to ask me any questions personally, join the Discord group. A link to it is going to be in the description below. Also, if you guys think I didn't talk about anything or I should have mentioned something, leave those in the comment section. If you have any questions, also leave those in the comment section. Guys, that is basically it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I would really appreciate it if you could drop a like and subscribe if you want to, if you gained any sort of information from this video. As I said, I'm going to start uploading more. That is basically for this video. I already said that before. Thank you guys for watching. Peace and out.